So I'll be showing you guys how to use two lights to light up a portrait picture. And for this particular video, I'm using like two gels. I'm using an orange gel and I'm using a blue gel here. And here's our model. Say hi to the camera.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Joy.
So how do you feel about this?
I feel excited.
Okay, so here's our model, and right here I'm using my Sony a7R III with my 85mm lens. So we're just going to go right into the shoot. We're not using sophisticated lights or some equipment that are so overwhelming. We're just using two lights with some with a reflective cone on both of the lights. So I place my light, like one of them is in front of the model and the other is like behind slightly, so they're kind of facing each other if you look properly. So is there any other to talk about? Right here I'm using my ash background. This background actually works for basically anything. Like you can actually use it to, you can dim it and it's going to turn dark, or you can bounce a gel light on it and it's going to turn colored. But this video is not basic for that, so we'll just jump right into the video. So are you ready? You're ready, right? Okay guys, let's see what we got here. So guys, I'll be taking you closer to my camera so you can see a preview. So I want to test the two lights. After I test the two lights, then we'll start shooting. So I'm going to bring this guy down a bit. Can we be able to get proper view? So right here, I'm going to turn off the V1 I'm using right there on the yellow gel. I'm going to turn it off. We're just going to test with just 8200, and I'm using flashlight of 16, 1/16. So I'm just going to test with just one light to see how it looks like. Oh yeah, you can see. Wow, it looks. So the blue is basically hitting out and a little part of the background. And as you can see, I'm using like ISO 800, f7.1 and shutter speed of 1/160. So now I'm going to turn on the other light with the trigger, and I'm just going to turn off the 8200, which is the blue gel. I'm just going to turn this on, and I'm still using the trigger of 1/16. So let's try this again. Yeah, you can see like, you can see that light coming from that angle. Okay, she just a little bit. Yeah. Add some smiles. We might just like these pictures. Yeah. We'll try to close that, but now face that light, like keep your head straight and just take your head up a little bit. Yeah, like that. So here, like that. Can one of your arms go to your earring? So let's do something like that. Yeah, like something like that. Go and close your head. Oh, this is kind of dramatic. So the light's actually coming from the left hand side, and I think it looks great. So now I'm just going to turn on the both lights and let's see what we're going to do. Do that one again, like looking like towards the AC. Yeah, that way. So just take this. Now, oh wow, looks great. Separate your lips a little bit, like everything through your mouth. Yeah, that's just. Yeah, this is beautiful. So I'm just going to like zoom in just a little bit and just take some more pictures. Yeah, like that. Yeah, take your head up. Yeah. Close your eyes. And this shot is a blast. Let's do some more. So I'm just going to play around with my two lights. So just watch guys and tell me what you think about this light setup.